2022 Lotus Emira revealed with 2 engine options, Evija-inspired looks. The final internal combustion-powered Lotus has been revealed, the 2022 Lotus Emira. The styling looks like a blend of the outgoing Evora and the all-new Evija electric car. It also features 2 choices of engine, one of which comes from AMG. The Emira's nose has the closest resemblance to the electric car, particularly in the headlights and the vent openings on either side of the hood. But the whole car has a softer, more rounded shape like the EV rather than the old Evora. It has very large intakes on each side, and a slim wrap-around taillight at the back. The body fits over a typical Lotus bonded aluminum chassis, and the company says the lightest version of the car will weigh around 3,100 pounds. 2 kinds of suspension are available, the standard Tour setup and an optional and stiffer sports version. Also noteworthy is the inclusion of hydraulic power steering, rather than electric. Powering that chassis is your choice of engines. It will launch initially with the same supercharged 3.5-litre V6 from the Evora. Next summer, it will be offered with a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder from AMG. Lotus says 3 transmissions will be available: manual, automatic and dual-clutch transmissions. It didn't say which pairings of engine and transmission would be available, but we expect the V6 to get the manual and automatic options, while the 4-cylinder gets the dual-clutch transmission, just as it does when in Mercedes A-Class related cars. The company also says power will range from 360 to 400 horsepower. This will get the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. The interior is fairly minimalist, but definitely more advanced than recent Lotus offerings. Most surfaces are covered in fabric, leather or Alcantara. It has 2 screens for instruments and infotainment. The former has a 12.3-inch screen, and the latter has a 10.25-inch touchscreen. Features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's only seating for 2. And cargo space is split between a 5.3 cubic foot trunk and a 7.3 cubic foot area behind the seats. The Emira was revealed this week at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Pricing for the US has not been announced, but it will cost under €72,000 in Europe. That comes to around $85,000 in the United States. We should know more about specifications and pricing closer to when it goes on sale sometime this year.